last week that there is a new law in reference to the gun law. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, ma'am. It was actually passed last year, last legislative year. It's an enhanced concealed carry permit, which Mississippi has already had a concealed carry permit, but this one, there were some restrictions on where it could be carried. One being school property, university property, and a lot of other places. The new law, if you meet the requirements set forth by the law, which is an 8-hour course which has been approved by the Department of Public Safety. If you attend that course and successfully complete it, apply for the concealed carry permit and make it through the background check, then you are allowed concealed carry in basically anywhere in the state.
Okay, well, while we're on that, the requirements to pass or to take that class, the background check, what all does that consist of?
A background check, you have to be 21 years old. You have to be a resident of the state of Mississippi. You submit an application along with a set of fingerprints, and I'm sure there's a fee involved because the prints are sent to the FBI to check for any criminal history through the Department of Public Safety.
Okay, so the background check, you have to be 21 years old.
You have to be
That-
21 years of
That's
age.
the only thing you need in order to pass, well, to be able to be enlisted into class.
That's it, yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, what is that? Is that combing out people that will be more than likely to commit another crime, or?
The feeling is if you're going to go through all this trouble, the person that's going to, I shouldn't say trouble, the person that's going to go and take this 8-hour class, there's a fee involved. There's also the fee involved for the application process. A person like that is not going to be of a criminal intent. You would think that they would be more of a law-abiding citizen if they're going to go through all this to try to get a concealed carry permit.
Well, are you for this new law? Do you support it?
I support a person having the right to carry and bear arms. There are a lot of places that the law now gives a person the right to carry, which I personally disagree with. Again, on school property, in a church, a daycare, basically anywhere. Law enforcement, we go through a 40-hour, through the academy, a 40-hour training session of firing. We train annually. We do night fire, we do day fire. So law enforcement is more comfortable, I would say, with their weapon. I'm not saying a person who meets these requirements would not be comfortable, but if a situation arises that they feel that they need to interject, are they going to make the right decision? Are they going to do something that's going to add to the problem?